Okay, so this will be a very quick tutorial on how to add a group to Spark and then add the users to that group. So the first thing that you'll do is, obviously you're going to log into Spark um, if you haven't done so already. Then you're going to click the contact and add contact group. Um, and so for this instance, what we'll do is we'll call it Tina F meeting, and then click OK. It should pop up. Sometimes it does take a second. Let me just go ahead and add that again, just in case I didn't hit the OK button. Oh, there it goes. Yeah, it just popped up. It essentially, what it has to do is it has to go back and forth to the server. So when you do add it, it takes a second to pop up, but it just popped up there, Tina F meeting. Okay, so then what we need to do is we need to add the users to this group. So in order to do that, you would open up whatever group you have. So let's say you're in Greenfield or Amherst or whatever. You would open up that group. You would scroll down to whatever user that you want to add to the group. And let's say we wanted to add Kathy Ambo to that group. We would then right click on it, copy to Tina F meeting. So what it's actually done was it's copied her profile over to that. We're going to add her as well. Let's do that. Copy to Tina F meeting. April. Okay, so we have her. Let's add Karen and Lauren. Okay. So now if you go down to Tina F meeting and you open up that subcategory, you'll notice that all 4 users are there. So now essentially what you want to do is you want to send a message to that group. And in order to do that, you right click on the group, broadcast message to group. And now what it actually does is it expands all the folders over here. But really, you don't need to really do anything, because what it's essentially done is it's highlighted your folder, which is Tina F meeting. And what we can do is we can minimize these just to kind of show you. So see, you'll notice your user group there, Tina F meeting, is already checked. And then you're just going to send them a message. So in the message box, you type whatever message you want. Meeting in 5 minutes. In GHC conference room. And then just click OK. Now, of course, I'm not going to hit OK, because if I do, it's going to send that message to those 4 employees. But so then you just close it out, or you would hit OK, but I'm going to go ahead and close it out. And so the nice thing is, every time you want to send that message, it's already saved in your Spark drop-down list. So if you want to send another message down the road, you just right-click on it again and broadcast message to group, and then send the message, and it'll go through to them. Okay, so I find it a little easier to do these video tutorials instead of creating a kind of a Word document, just because it's quicker for me, and it's probably a little bit easier for you to view it this way.